I'm Summer Hammonds with hammondsnest.com and you're watching Hometalk.
Today's project may be the most budget-friendly one I've ever done. It started with some sticks in the yard my husband cut for me on the saw, and we're gonna make some cute Americana 4th of July decor. So I have a couple of sticks here and I'm drilling some holes because we're gonna make them look like firecrackers. So I just have some normal jute string, and I'm going to put just a little dab of glue in that little tiny hole that I drilled and just kind of twist and wiggle that jute string. Now, depending on how long you want your string, you can cut it or trim it later. But I'm just going to get that done on both of those sticks. And then we're going to decorate them. Of course, we got to kind of make them look festive and 4th of July. Like I said, Americana. And to do that, I'm going to be working with a variety of fabrics. So I have a beautiful red floral fabric. I have a creamy one with red stars on it. And then I have a little roll of ribbon that has a navy blue with white stars. So all that together is going to be really great. So to rip it, like you just saw, all I did was cut a little snip and then pull down and it rips evenly. And here's where the fun part begins. So as much as this is just about showing you a really fun idea, you could absolutely use paint to decorate these. I was just trying to do something a little different, and this is a no paint craft. And I'm just using regular hot glue in my fabric, and I'm just going to show you a couple of really fun designs incorporating all three, well, the two fabrics and the one ribbon that I have. So that's all that I'm doing here. I'm wrapping tightly around the top of this little firecracker, this little wood firecracker. And so all in all for this project, I'm going to be in for a little bit of fabric and some ribbon and some hot glue. And really that's it. So cute. So I decided with this one, I wrapped the top, and then I decided to use that star ribbon and put little like stripes going down. Now I'm going to do that all the way around, set that to the side. I'm going to work on the bigger firecracker, but we're going to come back to this little one because I want to incorporate some other fabric onto it. Anyway, a little bit more glue there to start our bigger one. And now I've chosen that creamy fabric that has the red stars on it, and I'm going to do long vertical stripes with this one, going all the way around, just letting a little bit of that branch color peek through in between the strips of fabric. So once I do this one, this will be my first one. I'm going to add two more, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how I'm going to add even more detail to this one. Okay, so once that's all on there, so it looks like it's just about covered all in the fabric, but there is a little bit of the branch peeking through. Now, my style is very rustic, very shabby, so I love this ripped fabric look with some of the rustic wood showing through in the little jute string. But like I said, really, if you pick anything up from this craft, it's just that you could grab some sticks out of the yard to make little firecrackers. You could make them all different sizes and have fun painting them. The kids, it could be a whole family thing. So it'd be really, really cute. Okay, so I'm using that same star fabric that I used on the bigger firecracker, and now that was what I wanted to wait and put down on the bottom of that little one. So that little one is now finished, and I'm going to incorporate that navy blue ribbon and the red floral and give that bigger firecracker some extra detail. I've had three different fabrics, well, two different fabrics and the ribbon, and I've managed to use them all on both of the firecrackers. So we're making a little set to show you how you could do, but I used them in different ways so they coordinate, but they're not identical in matching. And I really like the way that turns out. This is what my set looks like finished. I am going to show you an after shot with a cute little sign that I made to coordinate. And I hope that you're inspired to go out in the yard, grab some sticks, make this fun project, whether you use the fabric like I did or you use some paint. I'm sure they will be beautiful. Thanks for hanging out with me, and thanks for watching Home Talk. Bye, y'all.